I'm going to show you some of the best free SEO tools that most people overlook. Ahrefs offers several free tools like a keyword generator, Amazon keyword tool, keyword difficulty checker, and many more, but I'll just show you a few for now. Let's start with the website traffic checker. It lets you see how any site is performing, including traffic sources, top pages, and keywords. You can check competitors or your own site. For example, let's check REI just for fun. It will show us which countries bring in the most traffic. Obviously for this one it's going to be the US, but you can use this with any site. With the SERP checker, you can see how keywords rank globally. This tool bypasses local search results, which is what Google does not do. When you search something on Google for a specific keyword, it's giving you local results based on your location. So you get a clear view of rankings in any region with this tool. It's perfect for targeting something like rain jackets in a specific market. The keyword difficulty checker shows how tough it is to rank for a specific keyword. If we search best reusable water bottles, it'll tell us how many backlinks are needed to rank in the top 10. It's a really quick and easy way to evaluate keyword competition. The keyword generator is actually one of my favorite tools for finding keyword ideas. Let's search home fitness. It will generate related keywords with difficulty and traffic estimates. So you can filter for questions, or you can just scroll around and look for more specific ideas. These tools from Ahrefs are powerful for SEO, and you should definitely play around with them as they're completely free. You can find this list by scrolling all the way to the bottom of Ahrefs and clicking free SEO tools. See you in the next one.